What challenges India's foreign policy might face in the upcoming times, and can talk about the year 2025 and how our foreign policy needs to reshape according to the current challenges that we are facing. So recently, our Minister of External Affairs, he's on a visit to USA. So this is one of the indicators that ties with USA is going to be our priority. Global insecurity challenges and the shocks in the neighborhood are the again another area of concern, which necessitates our foreign policy needs to again adapt to these challenges. It is not important कि change करने से ही better adaptation होगा. India has been already moving in that direction. For example, recently even the new president-elect of Sri Lanka on Maldives, they have visited India. The rising influence of China, again, the rising expansion of the Belt and Road Initiative has been a concern. Then again, security challenges from Bangladesh and even Myanmar. Ties with Canada came under stress because of again the accusation on India about the Niger killing and the planning related to that. Adani Group has been under pressure, so the area related to investment, FDI, and India's image is another area. And China's intrusion, or we can say not intrusion, but China's increased or strengthening relationship with Nepal is another area that would require attention. An ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, so it is stated that India can play the role of mediator, but again, that cannot be done single-handedly. And we've been talking about after the G20 summit that IMEC corridor, I2U2. So India has been focusing upon the strengthening of the bilateral relationships in order to ensure the effective implementation, in order to ensure peace and security, and upholding the human rights of the people. आने वाले टाइम में हमारे लिए चैलेंज होने वाला है हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बैलेंस ईरान एंड इजराइल और यूएस कंबाइंड and India's focus upon not just on the Western world but also Southeast Asia is going to play important role because even like it is symbolized by that Indonesian president is going to be the Republic Day's chief guest in 2025. क्या इंडिया को आरसेप साइन करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए व्हाट इज द राइट टाइम फॉर इंडिया टू गो अहेड विद इट सो चाहे ट्रेड रिलेशंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से बात करें या फिर फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ सिक्योरिटी इन द इंडियन ओशन इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन और preparedness related to the natural disasters increasing frequency, so our relation with Southeast Asia would be very crucial.